welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how I install my mini twists. These are the best protective style you can want for retaining moisture, elongating your hair to show length, and best of all, retaining the length of your hair and ultimately growing your hair long, strong, and healthy. So if that is something that you're interested in doing, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, so before we begin, I'm just going to show you guys my hair because I just washed my hair and I moisturized it and everything. So I'm just going to show you guys what my hair is looking like. I would have used the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Deep Conditioner on my hair, and I used it as a mask, and this provided so much moisture for my hair, guys. But after washing, I then went in with the As I Am leave-in conditioner, and then I also added some more of the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey onto the hair as a hair cream before sealing it with my hair growth oil. And these three components leave my hair hydrated for such a long period of time. I genuinely can leave my hair like this for about a week without having to re-moisturize it, and just remember to do it on damp hair. Okay guys, so today we are doing our mini twist, and boy, I had to prepare myself for this because guys, this can take so long. So why mini twist, you might ask? So in my opinion, mini twist is one of the best protective styles out there. I have been doing it for years and it honestly never fails me. It's one of those go-to styles if you don't want to have to do much with your hair or you're going to be quite busy. This is quite a good style to do, and on top of that, it is the best protective style, especially for this time of year where it's the winter or colder months and you want to ultimately wear a style that is not only going to keep the moisture in but protect your hair from the elements as well. You know, some of your clothing, because you guys will know that wool and stuff can actually cause your hair to break. With this hairstyle, the styling options are honestly unlimited and you can change up your style quite often, so it's great for that. Also, it's less manipulation, so ultimately your hair will be healthier because you're touching it less. It will retain length and ultimately you will grow longer, stronger hair, which is what we all want at the end of all of this. So before starting my hair, as I would have said, my hair is already thoroughly moisturized. It's great because I took the time to moisturize before, because ultimately we're going to be wearing this style for such a long time, and as I said, it is quite cold outside, so moisture is honestly so important with this style. Did it beforehand just to make sure that I took my time and my hair is feeling very juicy and moisturized before we begin styling it. Okay guys, so because my hair is already moisturized, I'm going to show you guys the products that I'm going to be using today. So ultimately I'm only going to be using one product and that is the Lotta Beauty Coconut Oil and Shea Oil Mousse. Guys, I love this. This is the ultimate mousse if you want something that is not going to leave your hair crunchy. It's going to leave it really moisturized, feeling soft, but keeping those flyaways and obviously have a great hold. This is a good one to go with. So because my hair is already moisturized, I don't need to go in with another leave-in conditioner or moisturizer. So I'm just going to apply this on top of my hair as I do the twist. Ultimately at the end, I'm going to just oil my scalp, apply some hair sheen to it, and maybe put a little bit of a pomade or something on the edges and the ends as well, just to keep them held together. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna leave my hair in these sections and I'm gonna twist it from within these sections, and that's just to make sure that it's a lot easier for me in terms of manageability, because I do have a lot of hair. So if I had to open my hair all up at once, it's gonna be a mess. So ultimately we're gonna leave it like this and we're just gonna do each one at a time, part it out as we do. I might do freeform at the back and then do it a little bit neater at the front. We'll see, I'll talk you through as I go. But yeah guys, so I've got my little laptop here and I'm gonna pop on a series. I'm currently watching Dark on Netflix. I literally just started it, like I'm not even 5 minutes in, I literally just started it. So that's what I'm gonna be watching today to just help me through this. I'm already getting the anxiety, like, what am I doing to myself? Hi guys, so it is the next day and I just decided to not bother to band the hair anymore. I decided to just embrace the shrinkage and just leave it alone. I might band it later down. If I do, I will show you guys how I go about doing that. But yeah, this is the look, guys. And I thought it was so cute because I've never had my hair this short before. And I really liked how it came out. I just need to fix like the roots. I have to do my edges. I haven't done anything to my edges yet. But yeah, guys, this is the look. And obviously, like, you can flip it and just decide if you want to wear it to the side or if you want to keep it in the middle. Guys, you know, like, I prefer a side part, but I actually do like how the middle looks on me with this look. I'm not usually a middle part girl, but I do like how it looks here. So yeah, this is the finished result. I'm just going to show you guys like how they're looking. You can see like how the mousse has it so held together. There's no frizzing at all. Like, I mean, it is early days, but you know, there's no frizzing. It just looks really good and they're plump and healthy. You guys know in my last video, I did give my hair a little bit of a trim. I can still see a few edges here though, like a few ends here that need a little bit of a clip in, like this one, these few here. So I might go ahead and give them a little clip. But yeah, guys, this is how it turned out and I thought it looked really nice. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. Let's see how long we can maintain this. I'm gonna put up a video showing you guys what I do and my techniques for maintaining this style, what I do with my mini twists to keep them looking fresh for as long as I can. I'm gonna try my best to keep this for a month. A month is it's a long push for me. I do get quite bored with my hair. I'm going to try to see if I can keep this going for a month. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do to actually maintain this for a month as well. So we're going to have those videos coming up soon. And I will show you guys how I band the hair to stretch it as well. I will probably do that like when the hair is starting to get a little bit older. I'll probably band it then. And then going with some mousse again to keep the frizz down. And I'll just show you guys how I'll show you guys how I maintain it for sleeping. All those bits we are going to talk about. So yeah, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful for you in terms of doing your mini twists. Let me know if you guys are going to do some and how you get on with it. You'll see me in my next videos coming up on how we are going to style this and maintain this, guys, over the next month. So I look forward to seeing you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.